So these are the ways you can be able to document your trip. So here are the 10 ways you can be able to do this. The first one is photo journal. Take daily pics and jot down memories. Second one, vlog highlights. Record short videos of key moments. Third one, travel journal. Write notes on experiences, food, and how everything feels. Fourth one, social media stories. Post snippets with captions. Fifth one, map markers. Mark places you visited on a map. Sixth one, ticket stops. Collect tickets, receipts, and post them in a journal. Seventh one, food diary. Snap food, snoop food pics, and rate them. Eighth one is local art. Local art. Grab sketches or postcard from places. Ninth one, voice memos. Record thoughts or sounds on the go. The last one is itinerary notes. Keep a plan and check off experiences. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like this video and subscribe.